Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about something which you consume every morning, a cup of chai or probably green tea which your wife or your daughter has every day. So I'm sure no one has ever thought about how old your tea is. So I done a survey in 4 cities, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Mumbai, where the results have shown that the tea consumption has increased drastically. But at the same time, the stats have shown that people are really fed up with the kind of quality they get every time, and it differs from cup to cup every time they purchase tea. So I'll tell you how old your tea is. I'm sure none of you guys can answer this question. So what happens, the planters in Assam, Darjeeling, South, they grow tea. They sell their tea to the auction house. The auction house is probably in Kolkata, where it takes 1.5 months to reach Kolkata. And in such a shady condition that if you see the truck tampered by dust, pollutant, germs, bacteria, you won't ever drink that tea again. From there, it goes to various brokers who buy various quality of teas. It's then gone to various blenders who blends all sort of grades, quality to get the average pricing down. From the brokers to blenders to distributors to retailers, and by the time it reaches you, it may be a 6-month-old tea or maybe a 8-month-old tea, you never know. All you know is the packaging date. So what we did is, we came up with a concept of gardens to home, where we tied up with the major planters, tea makers of Assam and Darjeeling, and set up a packaging unit in the garden itself. So what we do is, today they grow their tea, we package it and we deliver it to your doorstep. So you get something really fresh, authentic, at the same price, better quality, delivered to your doorstep. So the platform to sell this tea, there are various platforms where how we sell this tea. We have an e-commerce website, goodwyntea.com. We have a toll-free number where you can order tea whenever you want. There's a subscription model, just like you get cylinders every month at your place. There's a subscription model where tea will get delivered directly to your doorsteps every month without even making a call, and we are there in the premium niche outlets. So the tea industry has been lacking this revolution since many years, and there's been many tea gardens shutting down because of this. The entire process has to be changed sometime. So what we did is, this model we did it tried and tested in 4 cities. We did a turnover of 1.8 crore last year. That includes our online sales, our retail sales, and our Horeca segment. Horeca segment is where we cracked 30 5-star properties in 1 year, throwing the internationally renowned brand called Twinings out of all the brands. That's just because of the quality, the pricing and the packaging. So this model basically shows that you get something really fresh, authentic at the same price to your doorsteps, and it's very easy to purchase. So this is the model which I've explained, gardens to home, and Goodwyn Tea came into existence 2.5 years ago, where we started with one product, the original chai which we drink every day. Now we have a product list of 52 products ranging from chai to green tea to white tea to herbal tea to wellness tea, and the market size is, we are focused on the Indian market. There's a similar company who's doing the similar thing, it's called teabox.com, but their market is, it's my cousin's company, so their market is abroad. And this company, our range starts from 100 rupees to maybe 3,000 rupees. But what they do is, they sell tea worth rupees 1,400, 1,600, 1,800, which no consumer in India would buy. So we start from the 99 rupees pack to a 3,000 tea, whichever you want, delivered to your doorsteps directly from the gardens. That's our product range. This is our team structure, and that's it.
You seem to be set here. What do you need from us?
So I probably I'm not looking for money to spend on advertisement. What I'm looking is for awareness, where people can actually know that today what they are drinking is actually not something very right, and they can get something really good at the same cost which they are paying right now.
Next time at a VC Circle conference, make sure he sponsors the chai.
Definitely.
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, I think basically you seem to have a, is it been a family business that you grew into, or?
Yeah, it's a family business.
So you seem to know the supply chain inside out. Now it's a question of scaling from here on. I don't know whether it's necessarily a sweet spot for venture funds like us, but basically there are now a lot of both social impact funds, agri-tech funds, agri-oriented funds. Rabobank has one, Yes Bank has one, or Yes Bank family has one. So there are a lot of folks focusing on the segment, and I think they'll be very excited about what you're building. So we've had this play out in dairy for the last 8, 10 years now. We've had massive dairy supply, brands be built, right? Similarly, we, for example, funded something in fish supply, right? So there's a crying need for organizing these markets. I think you have the basics set. You should just go raise money and scale now.
Yeah, I think it's a venture deal as well, in the sense that, if I look at it, you're basically creating a brand, right, and selling it online. And you will find all kinds of companies that have raised crazy amounts of money trying to do that, all the way from, we had an online lingerie company, we have, formal apparel companies like Zoe, and so that's the way I would look at it, is, your own brand that you're selling online. So margins are better.
India is a very big market for it.
Yeah. No, I think there's room for a lot more new brands to come. So, and as you said, maybe your plank that you take is not fight on price and fight with the mass brands, but take thought leadership and show why you're unique.
Yeah, exactly.
And different segments are finally forming in India. So it's not like, everyone wants the same brand, everyone wants a different brand today, depending on which segment or strata they come from. You can easily cater to that and build a brand. And the market is huge, as you said. Congrats and best of luck.
Thank you.